Hello, and welcome to Connecting with NWCC Libraries using the Librista app. This tutorial will introduce the Librista mobile app and give you tips on how to locate library hours and contact info, how to search the NWCC Libraries catalog for books, how to see what library materials you have checked out, how to connect to other library electronic resources, all from your own personal device. First, to locate the Librista app, you'll need to get to the NWCC Libraries page. If you are at the northwestms.edu homepage, click on the Students tab. There, under the list of links, you will see a link for the library. Click on Library Learning Resource Centers. When you get to the library menu, click on Library Catalog. Here's the library's catalog. In the left-hand corner at the bottom, you will see Your Library app. Here, you may scan the QR code or click on the link. Then you may open the App Store or Google Play to download the app to your own device. When the process for downloading the Librista app is finished, tap Open. Next, you will be prompted to select your library. If you allow access to your location, nearby libraries will be displayed. Or you may do a search for Northwest Mississippi Community College. You've done it. You're in our library's Librista app. Where you see news and messages, you can find current library info. If you tap the bars to go to the menu and see branch info, click there to find detailed info about all 3 campus libraries. You can see information about what hours we are open, how to call us, and other important information. One thing to note is your Librista app will look different on iPhones and Android devices, so if you're ever confused, don't hesitate to come ask your librarian. Now, let's take a look at searching the catalog. To search the NWCC Libraries catalog, click on the magnifying glass or just type in the search box from any screen. You may type in titles, authors, or keywords to search. When you see a book and click on the book's record, that will show you what copies are available. At that point, you may reserve a copy to check out by logging into your account or simply contacting your library. We're always glad to help. If you click on the green book with the lock, that will help you to reserve the copy to check out when you go to the library. Here's a sample screen showing what your account will look like. If you click Log On in the top right corner, you will see a window open up. Here you will log in. Your username is your 9-digit student ID. You will need to include zeros at the start of your ID to make 9 digits. Your password is Rangers12. When you tag the icon with the person at the bottom of the screen, you can view your account information. This will show you what items you have out, things you have on reserve, and other information. Once you have logged in and want to reserve that book, click on the green book with the lock in the titles record. There you will be asked to choose which campus you would like for pickup. As I said, when you're logged in, you can click on the person and see what items you still have checked out, as well as the due dates. Another helpful feature you might enjoy in your account is book bags. This can help you save a list of books for a project or for future reading interests. You may create a new book bag by clicking the plus sign. When you find a book in the catalog, you will see the book bag icon. Clicking there will add it to your book bag if you are logged in. Last but not least, click on links in the app. This will take you to your other Northwest Library electronic resources, such as databases, subject guides, and web links. These have all been compiled by librarians to help you with your coursework. If you have any questions at all, please text a librarian. We'll be glad to help you figure out what items you need and how to use the Librista app to help you read and learn this year. Feel free to ask us any questions you may have. We'd love to see how you like using our new app.